Hello guys, let's open the lemang. So yummy.
This morning.
Already cut. He cut just
No.
now. What?
Cut. Use my hand. See?
Magic! Wow, you're so strong. Nang uuto talaga to. Wow, ang sarap naman.
Cut here.
No, we take another plate there.
That is all. No.
Wow. I like every time this. Ayan, ang the best na lemang. Can I taste it? Ayan guys, oh, lemang.
Lemon rice like durian.
Ikakain mo sa
Rice like durian.
ang lemang, pinapartner nila sa dito. Ayan. Ayan. Different daw. Ang sarap. Yummy, yummy.